Welcome back! This video is going to teach you how to move your camera view while using Roblox Studio. So let's load a template. I just noticed this new template called Mansion of Wonder. So let's go ahead and load that one. So when you're creating a game, you will be moving your view all the time when you're placing parts, so you can check things out from different angles and to make sure things are lined up properly. To look around the world, you want to make sure that your cursor is in the game area. If it's out here to the side or on the toolbar, you can't right click and move around the world. The game just won't respond that way. So you got to have your cursor here in the game world. So the controls are very similar to playing a Roblox game. Right click the mouse and hold it and drag the mouse around to look up and down, different angles. And use the WASD keys to move forward, backwards, left, right. To go up and down, use the Q and E keys. Q is down, E is up. So use all of those in combination to look around and see everything you want to see. As you navigate your game, you can easily get turned around. If you notice in the upper right hand corner, there is this compass you can reference. It shows you your x-axis, your z-axis, and the y-axis. The y-axis is the easiest of the three. It's up and down. The X and Z axes go from side to side, and it's easy to get turned around with those directions. So using this compass in the upper right hand corner is really helpful to keep yourself oriented. So say we're moving forward and backwards. Here's forward, here's backward. There's a certain speed to that. Say you're looking at fine detail and you really want to get in close to something, but you can't quite get there. Well, if you hold down the Shift key while moving forward, backwards, left, right, you can move a lot slower as compared to just pressing the ASW keys by themselves. So use the Shift key to move around the game slower. If you want to zoom in and out of something, use the mouse wheel. Scroll in, scroll out. You can use shortcut keys as well to zoom in and out. You can hold down the Control key along with using the equal sign and minus sign to zoom in, zoom out. For Mac users who don't have a Control key, you would instead use the Command key. I find using the scroll wheel works best. Using your mouse wheel, if you were to press the mouse wheel so it makes a clicking sound and you hold it, then you can pan your entire view around from side to side. And this is a neat little trick. Say you want to jump to an object that's further away. So there's that tree. Now I could press the W key and move all the way over to it, or just press the F key once the object is selected and you jump to it. This definitely saves time when moving around a big map. There are a number of other shortcut keys that you can use in Roblox Studio. If you want to reference them, you can go to the Roblox Studio website and see the entire list. I'll have that link listed below. With that knowledge, you have what you need to know to navigate around your game in Roblox Studio, so you can put your parts in the proper place and view things from all the angles you need to. It will become much more useful as we start building our game. Join me in the next video where we learn to add and delete parts in the game. I'll see you then.